Hello everyone, welcome to Bay's Kitchen. Today we are making jasmine coconut latte. We will use instant coffee, coconut milk, jasmine tea and sugar. All the ingredients are listed at the end of this video. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1.5 teaspoon of jasmine tea. Cold brew jasmine tea is recommended for softer flavor. Then add 1 gram of sugar to improve the taste, or leave it out if the coconut milk is high in sugar content. Stick the milk further into the bottom of the cup to prevent splashing. The color of the whipped coffee will vary from dark to light. When it turns into softened cream cheese, it's whipped. Add some ice cube, jasmine tea to make up half of the cup. Fill it up with coconut milk. You will get a rich and refreshing drink. There are more recipes in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bon appetit and see you next time.